Hey, so My Two Good Hands is here at the Few Man Boat where we're picking up our trailer for the Cutwater.
Yeah, let's go take a look. Oh, here's your beautiful new trailer, Steve.
From Venture, right? The Few Man Boat.
Yeah.
Eric, you did a great job.
Congratulations on the new trailer. I can't wait to see the boat on it.
A Venture trailer here at Few Man Boat. Picking it up today. So you got a few projects here, huh, Eric?
Yeah. So the whole pitch is what we do is don't go buy a new boat. Let's save the old one, right? So this is a 1754 War Eagle that came in. Effectively, it was just a bench boat, and so it got a whole new layout. You can see it got all these dry lids all the way up the gut. It actually got a permanent fuel tank up here, which is pretty unusual on a boat this size. And he's got a big live well here in the back as well. So storage all over the place. And now it's waiting for some custom sea deck and wiring and lighting and all that good stuff. But this is actually owned by a guy who owns a paint shop locally. You can see he's did awesome with the paint on this thing. It's really great. But we get a lot of newer boats that guys want to customize, and then we got a lot of these really old, cool, sentimental boats that guys, it's worth saying.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, that's a 50s Switzer craft.
Very cool.
Yeah, that's a consignment, and then believe it or not, this is a 50s 16-foot feathercraft, and it came from New York. And the crazy part about this is this guy drove this out from New York, and this is actually the second in a row that he's brought us out. He brought one of these out already, and we did it a couple months ago, and now he brought out a second one for us to do again. So
very cool.
Got that cool. Look at the old wings on that, you know.
Yeah, it says 57, don't it?
Yeah. And then a lot of these lungs that, you know, they're good shells, and over time the carpet or the wood starts to rot out, and so they're worth repairing, you know.
Yeah.
And what's cool is you can build it better than new with quality materials and still be well under the cost of a new boat.
Yeah.
You know, even if
very
you
good.
repower with a new motor. And so yeah. Thanks for letting me share my business with you.
All right, no problem.
Congratulations.
Thanks a lot, Eric. Appreciate it.
Yep.
Yep, we got our first 80 miles on the trailer, bringing it home, or 70 miles. It's the Commander series from Venture. Yep, one of them orange things got loose. They're going to send me some new ones. Give you an idea what it looks like. There's the bunks. Got some really nice mag wheels on it. Although I kind of got it wet and muddy, but it's looking pretty good. Probably the only thing I can say that I'd make new is I'm going to make a new one of those, because that's a real floppy thing for an old license plate I put on there. But trailer works good. It's all hydraulic braking back here, and it is definitely electric over hydraulic, because when we hit the brakes, we did rub the tires. The brakes are a little warm, a little bit warm on the brakes. It's kind of cool how they did everything here. We did make a mock-up of our boat, so let's get that out and see how it fits. So here we are out in the yard with it. We got a lot of putting together to do yet, but first test. But this is the profile of the boat, and the bunk angle is almost perfect. We don't know if this is perfect. And here we got a couple inches clearance. We actually probably got about 4, because we actually gave that a little more clearance than what the boat is. So it looks like we got good clearance there, and this works all the way up. So that looks like a good go. So hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We're going to do some more here how we assemble this thing. Going to put those 2 white posts up, get them measured out even, and then we're going to mount the spare tire. I'll show you that very soon.